We're trying to not get seen, bro.
How many? You think we're gonna find people fucking or doing drugs in here?
You said that at Concrete City. That literally is like literally those exact words.
I said, I asked Jared if he's ever found people fucking in there. You are. I'm gonna poop in your mouth. I know where you sleep.
Thank you.
Drink it now, you walk. Trying to get rid of the DNA evidence that we were here. No, do not pour that. That is disgusting. That is vile.
News, and we're back again at 5:40. Let's look at the nationwide weather picture from Michael Fish. Good afternoon to you. Well, despite the fact that temperatures today are far higher than they've been for some considerable time in many parts of the country, we're certainly not out of the woods yet. It does look as if very gradually in the next day or so it's going to turn cold again over most parts of the country. Indeed, bad news, I'm afraid, for any football managers in the north.
On the trigger, 'cause a nigga can't be happy. It's just where the gun is. That shit is a threat to me. Walking up to you with a motherfucking big limp. Oh, yeah, bitch, long live a motherfucking long as a player on the strip, because I got napped. If you just my baby, then I gotta take his ass out. No doubt, suckers try to clown on the young nigga. Heard that I'm slanging, yeah, your cousin nigga biting, nigga reaching for my Glock, and I put it in his chest, get it in the wrist, in your ass, it's creeping down the street, saw the police on my license tag, thinking that a nigga don't know, bitch, I got it bad, all of me around, but you think that I don't notice it, that I wanna pull me over time for some shooting tree, real old car full of the fucking composite, fuck my 9 neck, now I'm shooting in their ass, off their ass, living on the edge of their fucking life, try to flip a spade tree, and then we keep this shit tight, let the city queen, yeah, that's a smart thing to do, taking care of whoever, 'cause we gotta keep on thinking. It's that nigga MC Spade, finna make it break a bitch, smack her all upside her head and let her know my pimp she gon' try to make it look as if we going out like the hoe, never think twice about a bitch, 'cause when you dip it, then you know, don't get caught up with no woman, bitches try to get your head, make it break it, take that hoe and have that hoe get in your bread, rearrange the situation like I'm doing things before, always stay a step ahead and make her make your cash flow, get that bitch a beat, but nigga, keep that hoe up on the call, let her know that what you saying is gon' be best for both of y'all, take her money, leave her hanging, pimp that bitch and get your G, think that bitch gon' get my mind, man, fuck that shit, my nigga, please, money game is what I do, 'cause pimpin' make my business be, disrespect my pimpin', nigga, I'm gon' have to spit your weed, see I'm pimpin', make my money, making on bitches, that's my two, get your hoe up out my face, plus I'm thanking these fools. Bitches think I'm sitting cool. 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 Bitches think I'm sitting cool.
Bad news, I'm afraid, for the football managers in the north. For the month of February as a whole, it's a good thing that very cold weather on offer, a fair bit of snow as well, especially in the south. Although with a bit of luck, I think we're going to see rather more settled weather than we did.
What do you got?
Art.
We got artwork.
Artwork.
That's a beautiful piece right there. What do you call it?
I call it free. Free 99.
Jackson, what are the chances you climb on top of the roof of that?
Pretty high. You just have to stay on the beam.
$3.99.
Let's see the $3.99. So good. Oh, fuck yeah. That was fucking clean.
Cause a nigga can't be happy. Bitches with a gun, nigga. That shit is a threat to me.